Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to turn on silent mode on this device. So I will show you two methods. The first one, the basic method, simply go to settings, tap on the option sounds and haptics. The first one you can see the option silent mode, simply turn on. When you turn on you can see the silent mode icon on the notification panel. So simply in this way you can enable silent mode. And the second method, using action button, go to the main page of your settings, tap on the option action button. Now set this action button to silent mode. Now press and hold. Now this is enabled, right? Now press and hold the action button. It will disable. To enable, press and hold the action button. These two methods you can easily turn on the silent mode on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.